Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel, my fellow SAKites from across the world. Hope you're all well. So clearly we've got another Victorinox for you, nicely presented in that standard box of theirs, that silver box. And there she is. Okay, let's pop this puppy out with no further ado. Boom! Look at that. I never tire that. Isn't that lovely? Right, let's get into this. So, in case you're new to Victorinox, you could be. You get, of course, the care and instructions and also the warranty, which I'll embed in the video for you, okay? Look at that. Isn't that lovely? One other thing, guys. Half of you that watch my channel subscribe, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. However, the ones that don't, if you could hit that subscribe button, that really would help the channel. Thank you. Give it a quick runce around. There you go. Blade centering, bang on down the middle. No scratches or snail trails, nothing like that. As you would expect from Victorinox. Absolutely lovely. Welcome, my friends. Lovely lock up. This, of course, is a Victorinox WAITER. Come on. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely lovely. And that classic cellular red. You just, I don't know. It's just, I love it. It's an iconic, isn't it, right? It really is. So what we got similar? Well, now you may be of interest to you this, unless you didn't know already. This puppy is also a single layer. The ADOX, okay, Bantam. Lovely knife. And this, of course, was the original WAITER, which came in the ADOX. And it had a full-size cap lifter. That was the only difference. There you go. Look at that. Both great EDCs, okay? And then as a compare, we've got a twin layer, okay? If you wanted to upgrade, I'd seriously recommend this one as well, is the Sportsman. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen the Victorinox before, and that's the 84, you think it's a bit small, you can go for a Spartan or similar, a 91mm model. And there you go. I'm sure you appreciate that. Okay, let's pop these back. All right, let's get back into this. So, for me, this is great as a weekend carry, as a first knife, or someone upgrading from a classic or something like that, for a youngster, young adult. It's just fantastic, all right? Just really good. Nice classic drop point blade. Yeah, so you can do all your point work, a little bit of belly on her. A great all-round EDC, it really is, okay? Flat grinds, that means it's going to be a super slicer, okay? Does all your jaw cuts and stuff like that, okay? Any blade play? None. I like to check anyway, okay? I can get 3 fingers in there very comfortably. I come a little pinky at the back there to lock up on it. We've got the blade tang there, tang stamp, okay, as you can see. There you go, Victorinox. Isn't that lovely? All right. And on the reverse, of course, Swiss made. Okay. Absolutely lovely. Lovely snap. Let's do that again. I never tire of that. Absolutely gorgeous, right? So the actual steel on this, of course, is X55 Chromo 14, if you didn't know already, which with the heat treat makes it a good budget steel. Easy to maintain, okay guys, so it does hold a fairly good edge. Mirror finish, which helps inhibit rust, of course, in a temperate environment like the UK. It's a good slick action and a positive stop. She does brake and pull at a 5 as she's engineered to do so, okay. Nice and clean inside, should be, yeah, because it's new. Aluminium liners, there you go, which helps to keep the weight really down. Super lightweight, guys, it really is. Lovely. Look at that classic squish shield. Never tie that. Embedded so well. Nice and flush. Okay. And that ruby red finish. I love this. Now, we've got 9 tools, apart from the main blade, of course. Let's get to the back. Here we go. Half stop. We've got the combo tool. There you go. Now, of course, you got a slightly screwdriver, which is about 4.5 mil. You can use it as a light duty scraper. Possibly, if you're very careful, as a light duty pry bar. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's possible. You got the can opener, okay? It does actually work, which I actually use this, okay? And of course, you've got the cap lifter bottle opener. Super handy, especially at the weekend, right? And then, of course, you've got the wire stripper former. Fantastic. Nice half stop. Boom. There you go. On the back, reverse tool, of course, we have the can opener. The corkscrew, okay, super useful for opening a bottle of wine, of course, if you still got corks, okay, in that those bottles. We've got the pinhole, of course, which you can upgrade with a pin. There you go. And also, of course, which I do quite often, the micro screwdriver in there for my glasses, okay. Really, really handy. All right. Now, of course, on the back, on the front, we've got this. We've got the classic tweezers. There you go. Super useful for getting out splinters and whatnot. Of course, then we have, in conjunction with this, is the actual toothpick, which I'd probably swip it, well, in this instance, I keep it, but quite often switch it out for a fire steel. And then, of course, we've got a 10mm split ring, which is inox stainless steel. Absolutely lovely. And that's the last tool. So 9 tools, guys. So for me, excellent fit and finish overall. Okay, as Victorinox do. Ergos, fantastic. No hot spots, of course. Okay, you can use it in both hands. Of course you can, okay. No problem at all. Absolute super slicer. Okay, now the actual overall length for this, the blade is 6.5 centimeters or 2.5 inches. Okay, the blade thickness is going to be, let me see, I think I got it, 2 mil, I think it is from memory. 2 mil or, hold on, yeah, 2 mil or point. There you go, 0.08 of an inch or 2 mil. Yeah, that's what I thought so. Okay, the actual overall length is, I think from memory, 14.5 centimeters, which is 5.75 of an inch. Okay, closed, of course, we all know it's going to be 84 millimeters from memory, yeah, which is about 3 and 3/8 of an inch. Okay. The actual weight on this is 35 grams. So I weighed it already, which is 1.2 ounces. Fantastic, right? Absolutely great. Super lightweight. For me, it's a classic carry that will never leave you high and dry, okay? As it's super handy, super lightweight, as I mentioned before, and compact, of course. UKLegal and exceptional value for money. So it makes a great gifting tool for a birthday or special occasion, I guess. Okay, I'd highly recommend this. Okay, as a first knife possibly, or as a weekend carry, like I say. Okay, 5 stars. Fantastic. Okay, everyone, for pricing availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like and by hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.